All right, today I'm gonna show you how we are using this cool little tool and our Sony camera to get our old slides out of the boxes, out of storage, and into a digital format where we can enjoy them. Here's a quick look at the compatible cameras and lenses that this will work with. And the lens adapters that you'll need to fit to your lens and camera are included in the kit. We did end up going with the additional light. You will need a light source to project the image into your camera. This light provides a nice even light. That way we don't have any funky shadows, nothing's brighter on one side or the other, anything like that. We have this connected to our Sony a7R5, and I will show you our process. It has two different carriers. This one will do your film. We've got 35mm here that fits great, and this one is for your slides. Quick tip for when you're loading your slides, you want to make sure that it goes in with the emulsion side away from your lens, like so. So you'll shoot into this. This might seem counterintuitive because on like a slide machine, you'd load it this way. If you shoot it this way, your image will be backwards. You can fix it in post, but that will save you a step. So for clarity, it will go in this way. If you have the light attachment, you'll use the bracket on the light. If you're using a different light source, there is a bracket right there on the adapter. All right, so we can see our slide here. We are using a small rig to trigger this. You can shoot with your normal camera trigger, but we're a little OCD when preserving these precious memories, so we like to use an external trigger to prevent any kind of shake. So I'm gonna go ahead, hold this halfway down, get it to focus. You can see it's nice and sharp. Hit the trigger, and we have officially digitize the slide. Easy as that. If you don't buy the light attachment, your carrier will go straight against the adapter in the bracket that I showed you, and then you use this diffuser over the top like so, and this will flatten your light. Basically how we were doing this before the light attachment is we would have a light source, bounce it off this white sheet, and boom, we have our slide. One thing to note though, pay attention to the temperature of your light. If you use like a tungsten light, you're going to get a more yellow image. The temperature of your light will affect the color of your slide. This light is 5500 Kelvin, which is daylight, so that's why we went with that one. So there you go, guys. This is pretty simple. Like, I can do this and I'm not super big brain, so I'm quite confident you'll be able to do this as well. It gives you beautiful results. The images are crisp. It looks really well done. So if this video is helpful, guys, please drop a like or maybe even a subscribe. It really helps me out and it makes my day. Thank you for watching. I appreciate it. Have a good one.